Okay, so we had a couple of requests as well to go over a solo arrangement of The Little Drummer Boy. So I'm just going to give you an introduction to that today. This is going to be in G. Now, we don't necessarily have to do the full G chord. In fact, what we need to do is modify it because we're just going to hit the bass note rather than the whole chord and free up these other fingers to do the melody. Okay, so we're going to start. Third finger is going to play both our G note and our C note in the bass. Okay, so we're going to start off by playing the low E string, which is G, and the G string, so we got an octave apart. Okay, so so what's happening here, I'm going to take the G off just so you can see a little better. If you take out that bass note, we're going to play G string, A, B, 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 C, B, C, B. So, okay, now if we add that note back in. Okay, we do that twice. 4. Now we're going to go to a D, but we're going to put this second finger on the A on the G string. We're going to pick the D, so these two notes are right next to each other. Those two. So what's happening there? Of course, that first one's just these two, but if we take that away, now we have A, B, C, D, 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 E, D, C, B, A, 2, 3, 4. So far we have 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. Now we repeat part of that to that E, so A, B, C, D, 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 E. Now we're going to go to the C with a third, and we're going to hit this F on the high E string with the first finger. So what's happening in the melody is F, E, D, C. Then the third finger jumps up to B, and now we're going to play, I'm sorry, G. It jumps up to G on the low E string, my apologies. It's going to be that note and the high E open. So what's happening there in the melody is E, D, C, B. Okay, and now we go back to D, which is just these two. So we have, so far, let me catch us up. 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. The C with the F. Now back up to G, high E. Now we have this D, and then we have this D also with the pinky here on the G string, on the B string. So our melody is just doing D, so D, C, B, A, with the droning D string. Then you go back to the G, and do the same thing you did at the beginning. So the last one's going to be A, G, and G octave. Okay, so all together, take it slow. Okay, so that's the most simplified arrangement of the song. Now, if we wanted to go ahead and add something to it once we're comfortable with the bass arrangement, we could do something like take the bass line and we can alternate those notes, add them more, we could syncopate them, or we could do it, for example, instead of whole notes, quarter notes, or half notes, and then maybe add in some different dynamics and hammer-ons and pull-offs and stuff in the melody, something perhaps like this.